The recently viewed snippet is one of those snippets that is a great addition, especially for large catalog stores. One great example is a Shopify powered store called fashionova.com. In fact, one of the most large and successful Shopify stores out there. And as you can see, they are successfully using this feature on their store. Okay, first we handle the installation, then we are going to check the various configuration and settings that this snippet offers. It is important to note that this snippet is available only for the official down theme from Shopify. It can work on other Shopify themes, but it may require some code changes. Okay, so first, after you have downloaded the file, double click to unzip it, and then you will notice that you have two files that you need to add on our Shopify store. Both files are sections, so let's quickly add them. From the Shopify admin, go to themes, then edit code, then since both files are sections, go to sections, and let's quickly create both files. JS recently viewed init, and the other one, JS recently viewed without the init suffix. Okay, let's quickly copy both files, the one marked with init, paste the contents of the file and hit save, and the other file without the init suffix. Copy everything in the file and paste it here. Okay, now that both sections are added, we must create a page for the recently viewed products to show. So go back to pages, add page, let's call it just recently viewed, and hit save. Also, we need to create a new theme template for this page. Let's quickly do that also. Again, from the edit code, since that is a template, go to template, create a new one, choose page, JSON, and let's call this template just recently viewed. Okay, now we need to go back again to the page we just created before, because we have to assign this template to the page. Recently viewed, recently viewed. Okay, now everything should be okay. So let's go back to the customize. Now we need to have both sections. First, let's add the init section, which needs to be added on the footer in order to be active in every page on your Shopify store, because this section, the section marked with init, is responsible for grabbing the product. So when you open a product, it stores the data for that product on the user's browser local storage, and then when the user go and checks the recently viewed products, it will show the correct product. Okay, so we have it on the footer. Let's move it on the bottom, and let's check out quickly the options. Limit products, let's leave it the default to 40, but of course you can change it to any number you prefer. We have to select the page that you have just created before. Okay, hit select. The label, let's leave it like it is and hit the save button. Okay, so now that this section is configured, you'll notice that it is showing the icon on the header. Also, it is showing on the mobile drawer as well. Okay, let's open it, and you'll still get in a blank page here. All we have to do is add the other section here. Okay, yes, recently viewed. Okay, so this section basically just lists all the recently viewed products that the user has viewed. Okay, let's quickly check the settings. Of course, you can change the color scheme if you prefer a different style, the header, the text aligned, a different title if you prefer so, a description or not. Also the product list in case user has not seen any products yet, a number of columns on mobile if you prefer to have different style of mobile. Okay, on desktop, the image ratio, and some text that it is used for the translation. Let's hit the save button, and let's check this out on the front end. Okay, we see now that the icon is there. In some cases you have to wait a bit because Shopify cached the data, and the section might not show immediately, but after a couple of minutes after the cache is refreshed, the section might start to show correctly. Okay, as you can see, we don't have any no viewed products yet. So let's quickly go back and open this product, open another one and another one, and going back to our recently viewed products, you'll notice that all products have shown. The last viewed normally is the showing last, and so on. Also, as you can see, we have showing the date when this product was last shown. For example, we have seen moments ago, but this can change. It will go a minute ago, an hour ago, days ago, and so on.